Okay, we're going to plug in this Trezor. I got a USB wavelink here, and doesn't do anything. Doesn't light up. No screen. Nothing on the computer saying it's logged in or it's connected. Dead. Alright, so now we're going to hit it with a hammer. Load your treasure, goodbye, goodbye. Oops. Something fall off? Nope. Tough little bastard. Up there with the screen. I think it's dead. There's the circuit board. Let's get that too. I feel like Hillary Clinton. Goodbye, Trezor. It was fun knowing you. I loved you while you worked, but now you're DOA.